Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the eagle chasing filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here slide right until you see funny. Okay, here scroll up. Okay, and remember this image. This is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, and you are chased by eagles. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect from effects gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here you can search for catch me. Okay, on the first row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use this effect. Likewise, okay, you can record a video here and you can post it to your TikTok. Okay, and suppose you are not getting this effect from discover also, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You need to open it with TikTok. Okay, tap on open app or tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Tap on try this effect at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can use this effect and do this eagle chasing trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.